Welcome to chapter 10, our property. When you guys are going from home to school, you all see many things, right? Yeah. Like that, here also one boy named Rahul. When he goes from home to school, he saw many things. So let us know about that. Firstly, he wakes up and gets ready for school. Then goes to school by walk. There he saw a post office. And he asked question to the man who entered post office. What is the purpose for going to post office? See, we send letters to friends and relatives who are in different places. So hope you all have seen the post office in your area, right? If not, just go and visit one. Next, so after walking some distance, he saw a street light. So here is a street light. Don't people need light to walk during the night? Yeah, that's why they have erected street lights at short distance. Then on moving forward, he saw public tap. So this is a public tap. Anybody can collect water from here. So don't damage the taps and spill water unnecessarily. And short distance from there, he saw a bus station. A bus station is a place where buses move from one place to other and come and halt. Visit the bus station of your village, town, locality and know about cleanliness. So there at the corner, he saw a public toilet. Yeah, so this is a toilet. It is for public use. Toilets are built in public places in towns and cities. So try to understand why we need this. See, one more thing. Do not urinate in public places. So develop the good habits of using toilets. Then Rahul sees a fair price shop. So this is a fair price shop of town where rice, wheat, sugar, oil are available at low price in this shop. Then after moving forward, he saw hospital. So this is a hospital. So hospitals are required to take care of sick people. So well, have you been to hospital? I guess so. And you have to pass through the park to reach his school. There are a variety of plants, trees and creepers in the park. And he sees birds and butterflies flying. Yeah. And there is a stones, right? You can see, stone benches to sit on it. So it is a beautiful park. Then finally, Rahul reaches school. So this is my school. It is big. It has 8 rooms. And there is a playground on the right side of this school. And I like my school very much.